Hi folks, I forgot to talk about the Right to Learn activity for next week on Chapter 6, so that's what this screencast is going to go through. So I'm looking at the assignment, and you're going to do this in groups. If you look below, I've got 6 groups set up. We may not have 6 groups. If we do, that's great. If not, that's fine too. But just pick a group that you want to work with and just click on one of the links, and that's where you'll start posting your stuff. So let's go through it. You're going to be doing what we call an invented conversation. And it's going to be based on this scenario here. So I'm going to read through it and then explain to you what you're going to do. So imagine you've just eaten a big meal. Your body has lots of stuff flowing through your bloodstream, and one of those nutrients or things is glucose. When your body has a lot of glucose in it, a molecular signal is sent to your pancreas, which is an organ in your digestive system, to make it produce and secrete a protein called insulin. Insulin tells cells in your body to take up the excess glucose in the blood and to store it. So what you're going to do is develop a conversation between all the structures and organelles that you see listed here, describing the process of production and secretion of insulin in the scenario up here. Okay, think of it like these are all characters in a story, or you can do them as like characters in a movie or a cartoon or whatever you want to do. How you set this up is up to you, but you need to put at minimum your final product in the discussion board. You can work offline if you want to and then come up with a final and then post that into the discussion. It's worth 20 points. You're going to be graded on what you did, but also you're going to evaluate each member of your group. So there's a quiz that you'll take for this purpose. All of those responses are anonymous, and I'm the only one that can see them. So your team won't get to see what you said about them. Okay? 80% of your grade is based on what you did as your conversation, and then 20% is based on how each person is evaluated by your team members. Okay? There's the math. I'm not going to go into that. So if you have any questions, just let me know, and good luck.